is Quicken and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a little bit of tutorial and I want to show you how I've been doing my hair in this like cutie, like romantic, kind of like tousled hairstyle. So I'm going to be putting a ton of focus on the bangs. So the bangs are how I've been styling my hair lately, and if you live anywhere near me, it has been raining for the last 7 days and there's 7 more days of rain in the forecast. So I have been wearing my hair in this like very textured, just like whatever kind of hair. There's no sense really blow drying it because it'll get frizzy in the rain, and I'm like umbrella, but I'm also rain jacket. So my hair just has to like be okay. So I want to show you how I've been doing my hair the last couple days, and it is a huge focus on the bangs. I love the bangs. I think that they are nice and tousled, romantic, like very textured, and I just love the way they look, and I love how easy it is to get them to look like this. Getting ready in the morning almost takes longer to have the like traditional bangs like this, but even then, if you are more like traditional bang or if you are more like curly bang, this tutorial is for you. So to start off, I have my bangs cut like in this kind of way, a little concave way, and this will help the shape of your bangs, but if your bangs don't necessarily look like that, this can still apply to you if you have straight across bangs. I think my haircut just adds to the texture look of my hair, and my hair is cut as a shag. But so the first thing I do when I get ready in the morning, if I'm going to do my bangs regular kind of style, if I'm going to push them to the side, if I'm going to do anything, I always start my day off washing my bangs with shampoo. So I wash my bangs with shampoo, and then while my, like, I will kind of just like wring them out and then push them back. While they're kind of air drying, I'll put on my makeup, I'll start my makeup routine, and then when they are about 50% dry, that's when I like to work with them. So I'll put my hair back in a little bun and just spray it with some water. Today in my video, I spray it with some thermal protectant, and then I just wrap it up in a bun. I don't really brush it out or anything after I have gone to sleep. My hair is long enough to go into a bun right now. My hair is naturally pretty straight. If it's clean, it's pretty silky and soft. It doesn't like want to do much. So a couple days dirty hair, because my hair is like pretty processed. It'll kind of just like stay like this. If there wasn't blonde in my hair, I don't think it would be as textured, but I love it. So I'll wrap my hair up in a bun and make sure it's like nice and twisted so that it will manipulate kind of in a little textured pattern. These are not the same kind of curls I would get from a nice wand curler. These are more close up. They're a little disheveled, little wavy, kind of beachy, but not like as perfected as like a beachy look like that you would get at a salon, or if you you know, sat in front of your mirror and really did it. But like I said, it's been really raining here, and I kind of like the like romantic undone look, so that's what we're going for. The next part is super easy, and that is blow drying your bangs in this way. What you're gonna do is get a very, very narrow barrel brush. I got this at Cosmoprof, and I've had this since beauty school. This is really great for just like very close precision curls. If you're blow drying someone with very short hair, if you're blow drying someone with very textured hair and you want to like really get close to the root, if someone like you yourself, or if you're blow drying someone who has a lot of texture right here in their hairline, like maybe it gets really frizzy right here, or they have a really strong cowlick right here, this brush is great. It gets right there and you can just cling right to it. That's why I got it for beauty school. Since then, I love it for my bangs. So I'll leave a link to a brush similar to this on Amazon. I bet it's there, but I got this at a beauty supply store. So I'll take this brush and I get really close to my bangs. And I have taken the concentrator off of my blow dryer for this and I put it on medium just because I'm still not super fast at this. I don't want high heat and like high blow to make this any more difficult for me. So what I'll do is I'll grab the entirety of my hair in the round brush and I'll make sure it's pulled all the way so all the hair is in it, and then I'll curl in, and then I hit the blow dryer right here on the curled in part. Then I'll pull, twisting this as I go until it's pulled out. That will create your curl for you and this nice textured look in the front. My hair is not naturally curly, so to hit somebody with all this texture in the front and curl, it just gives the illusion that I have a lot of volume and that I have textured hair. Like if I could have a perm, I would, but my hair would melt off. So this is kind of a cool fake little hack for texture and volume in the front. So I'll keep doing that. You'll notice that I take the brush and I'll grab the longest part of my bangs and kind of manipulate it in a different direction. And that is just so my bangs don't turn into like one big giant like whoop horseshoe. Like, I'm into it, but the girls at my job would be like, no, you're getting a little too experimental with the bangs. So I will manipulate this in a different direction, and that just allows the longest part of my bangs to kind of bend backwards and flow into the rest of my hair. In this clip, my hair is up, so it might look crazy, but when I pull my hair down, it does blend into the rest of my hair pretty nicely. So I'll take the other end, and if you are right-handed, doing your left side might seem harder, but instead of holding the brush like this, you're going to take the brush, have your arm all the way bent up and elbow out, and come in and hit it just like that. Pulling it all the way again, hitting it with a blow dryer, pulling it and round, manipulating it round and round, and pulling it out. You'll also see that I kind of hit my root a little bit because I noticed that it's still wet. You know, sometimes it takes longer for me to do my makeup, so my hair is a little more dry. But today I just like put on eyebrows and mascara, so my hair was still a little wet at the root, no big deal. And then again, I go back in and manipulate this longer piece outwards so it kind of blends into my hairline. But when I do pull my hair up, I do think that these bangs, like, they don't depend on my hair to be down to still be really pretty, really romantic. Like I said, I think like undone, if you pull your hair like out of your bun a little bit and manipulate that, I still think it can be really pretty, undone, romantic. I mean, that's the kind of hair I like to do at my salon. It's the hair I like to see in my portfolio. So that's it. That is my curled, romantic, just like undone bangs. Like I said, it's really easy. I've been getting a lot of questions about how I style my bangs, what they're called, how they're cut, and I just thought that this would be super cute. It's how I've been doing my bangs, and like I said, it's really, really, really fast, especially if you have this kind of hair tool. So I'll link that down below. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like videos like this? I do. I like making them. But yeah. Thank you guys so much. If you think it's wacky, if you don't want to curl your bangs, thanks for staying tuned. I love it. I like having different options with my bangs. I think if you're like, I don't want to wear my bangs every day, your only option isn't just like bobby pinning them to the side of your head. You can get creative. If you style your bangs some like crazy way, definitely let me know. I'd love to see it. I love you guys so much. Thanks for inspiring me. And if you recreate these bangs, please tag me on Twitter. I'd love to see it. And until next time, bye.